Question number 15, you are going to multiply 6 and 1/6 times 6 and 1/6. So, meron po tayong multiplication of mixed numbers. So, ang gagawin po natin, since hindi po applicable yung ating way kanina or yung process po natin na diniscuss during the addition and subtraction, ang gagawin po natin is gagawin po natin yung conventional way in which we are going to transform this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, paano po tayo mag-convert into improper fraction? Ito po ay multiply natin and then i-add po ang ating numerator. So, we have 6 times 6 is 36 plus 1 is 37. Copy the denominator which is 6. So, same lang po sila ng given. We have 37 over 6. And then, multiply numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. So, we have 37 times 37 is 1,369. And 6 times 6 is 36. So, napakalaki po ng ating numerator. I-divide po natin yan sa 36. So, paano po natin i-divide? I-divide lang po natin. So, we have 1,369 divided by 36 is 38. 38 times 36 is 1,368. So, 1,369 minus 1,368 is 1 and our denominator is 36. So, ang final answer po natin ay 38 and 1 over 36.